All right, so I'm going to show you how to connect your existing LangGraph agent to Orq. And what this allows you to do is three things. It allows you to easily route through Orq, which means you can switch the model. It also allows you to trace, so you can see the tool calls made and the steps that the agent uses. And then the last thing it allows you to do is RAG. We have knowledge bases in Orq. And so your agent can use these knowledge bases. And that's what I'm going to go through. So what you first do is this is set up the client. Then we have this one step to turn on tracing. So now anything I do through my LangGraph agent will be tracked in Orq and traced. Here, I build my simple agent. You have probably an existing one that you want to use. It just has a simple tool. And here we run it. Now, this will show up in Orq. And as you can see, I've used the router here and GPT-4o Mini. Now, the next thing you can do with LangGraph and Orq integration is it allows you to switch the model very easily. So you can use any of the models that we have. And this switches it to Claude Sonnet. So now you can see we get a completely different answer than we would have had otherwise. And finally here, I've attached a knowledge base. So here, I simply ask the agent, make a new tool, and the tool I have now instead searches the knowledge base for relevant chunks that I've already pre-made. So now when I ask the agent how I got delivered the wrong item, can I get a refund? And now responds it grounded in those chunks. As you can see here, it's confirmed using, this is all from my documentation. So the last thing you do is you go to traces. So as you can see here, I've navigated to our AI studio, and then under observability, you can see traces. I searched up LangGraph, which is the project I'm currently using, and you can see the last trace call I made. So here you see which model was used, the cost. You can see it called a tool, which is our search policy tool, which then queried the knowledge base, retrieved the relevant chunks. You can see the chunks it got here, and then it finally made an answer using those chunks. Thank you.